Hello friends, in this video I am going to unbox my new HP all-in-one desktop. I am simply loving it. Everything is very cool about it. I am going to unbox the beauty. As you can see, I am placing the knife very slowly. It is very firmly packed. The HP case is very firmly packed so that the contents may not leak out. I am gradually moving the knife. I have brought it from Flipkart. It comes at a price range of 50,000 Indian rupees. The price may vary from 50 to 55,000 according to the configuration. You may choose the configuration which suits to your best. Now you can see there is a product logo, and I have purchased it from Flipkart. It is an e-commerce company, and you can buy it from other e-commerce company also, like Amazon or eBay. You may purchase it as you like. Now as you see, the contents are gradually revealed. Now bit by bit I am opening. It is the keyboard. I am taking it out very slowly. The keyboard is very delicate and the keys are very soft. It is very soft, as you can move your fingers very smoothly. It is generally wired. And one other thing, there is a mouse which is inside it, and all the other things are compact. The CPU is inbuilt, and as you see, I am taking out the keyboard. You can see a bunch of cables there. It will be required later for the connection. Now there are other peripherals, so I am taking it out gradually so that the things may not be put up anywhere. So I am placing it generally on my table. Now the monitor is revealed. The monitor, it is also very sleek, and it is also very stylish. You can place it over your table or wherever you want to work. It is also very flexible. It is provided with a flexible stand. It is almost erect up to 90 degree, but you can generally tilt it, or you can just make it suitable according to your needs. Now you can, on the monitor, you can see on the front side there is a camera, and you can, on the sides there are, on the speakers. Now as you see, I am going to take out everything which is inside so that the content is revealed. And now you can see only the monitor. It has a HP logo on it on the back side, which is also very stylish. On the front side also you can also see the logo of HP. And for its specifications, I can see it is provided with a Windows 10 64-bit, which is the latest generation operating system. As compared to 34-bit, it is 7th generation Intel Core i5, which makes it much faster, with 8 GB of RAM. So everything is fast, with a storage capacity of 1 TB, so that you can store almost everything. There is also a power adapter which is also provided, so that, and you can see the power adapter. The power adapter, it is for the power, it is to supply power to the computer. The power cord, well, I have almost done it, and now very slowly I am taking out, because it is very sleek, and I have to take caution so that the things may not get haphazard. You can see on the front side there is a HP logo. It is also very stylish. Now the box is almost empty, and now I have placed it over my table. Now as you can see, on the back side there is USB port to connect the peripherals. It has two USB ports, RJ45 connector or LAN Ethernet port to connect the computer to the network, VGA connector and PS2 port, and all the ports are now revealed. And there is a audio out. You can see there are two USB ports and you can plug and play anything you want to. And now you can see I am gradually, bit by bit, I am turning it according to my needs. And it has a 90-degree stand. The stand is adjustable according to your needs. We have a wired mouse. The PC is and now you can see all the things are gradually revealed, and I have brought it from Flipkart, and you can also buy it from any other company as you like. But the thing is that it is very nice. The HP, it is very compact and very sleek and a thing of beauty. And you see, as you walk through it, you can generally walk in through office, in home, everywhere. That's all, my friend. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.